Hey everyone, John Chow here for JohnChow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here at the South OC Cars and Coffee, checking all the cars. Let's go check it out. All right, check this out. It's the new Acura Type S. Yeah, it's back, and it's a South OC Cars and Coffee. Still wearing its camouflage wrap here, but this will give you a good idea of what the new Type S looks like. Basically, the Type S is based on the Civic Type R, the new Honda. So this is the Acura version. Yeah, and I believe the Acura version is basically the same as the Civic Type R, except the Acura, because the Acura a little higher name brand, I think it's going to have 10 more horsepower. There you go. So if you want the Acura badge to the Honda badge, this is what you're going to get. Speaking of Type S, right next to the Acura Integra Type S is the Acura NSX Type S. So this is the final NSX. After this, they discontinue. So they gave it a little more power, and it still looks the same. They added a few changes, like this new carbon spoiler, a little better tuning, a little more aggressive. But yeah, this is they're all sold out. So the final Type S NSX is gone. And I guess if you want Type S, you're looking at the new Integra Type S right here. The show hasn't officially started yet. It starts at 9 a.m. I'm about 20 minutes early, but the lot is already starting to fill up. Yeah, it should be a busy show today. You see there's not a cloud in the sky. Super sunny here in the OC. This is Simon's Camel, and check out this 765 LT. Wow, nice blue color. Beautiful wheels with a nice blue accent right there. This is my favorite supercar right here. And big lip on the rear wheel, those are huge. And the only thing I really don't like about it is this fake roof scoop. Yeah, it doesn't work. It just, air goes in here and air comes out there. Doesn't cool anything. Does not go into the engine. So, as you can see, that is not a factory option. The owner installed that himself, or had a company do it. All right, here we have a 718. Beautiful black Ford GT. Or number 2. It's got the regular wheel instead of carbon fiber wheels. Yeah, you can see right through it. EcoBoost Twin Turbo V6. Acura Perfect Titanium exhaust. And this is, I guess, the daddy of the current Ford GT. That one right there. So this is the one that came before it. This one belonged to my friend Jay. It's a beautiful example, yellow. He's modified it quite a bit. He's added these little silver little holes in there that I guess add some vents, keep them cool. Yeah, the engine is as beautiful as ever. And he also changed the exhaust. And he removed the rear bumper as well and changed the exhaust. It sticks out a lot more, quite a bit louder. And that there is his car in a calendar. Okay, next to that, Ferrari 360, Audi R8, another Audi R8, Superlight SLC, belong to Don Davis. Yeah, so the gang's all here. Italia Spider. The interior's got nice yellow piping. So check out the yellow stitching there. And next to it is another Ferrari Spider with red stitching. Yeah, there's an F430, and that's the replacement to the F430. 911 green, turbo, Ferrari F12. V12 Ferrari, naturally aspirated. 720. Ferrari 488. The engine is up. Let's check that out. See if any modifications to it. Engine is basically stock, carbon fiber bits, mounted very, very low in the engine, mounted very, very low to keep the center of gravity low. This is the 992 Turbo Lightweight Edition. So you take a 992 Turbo and you make it lighter. You make it lighter by removing stuff. You remove the back seat, you remove some other stuff, and then you add more money. GT3, GT3 Touring, another Ferrari, 570, ZR1 Corvette, another 992 Turbo, another 488, another Italia, Ferrari FF, another Ferrari, an 812, a GT3, and a rear-wheel drive Huracan. Nice lineup. This is so Southern California. I love it. I love it. Green Z06. Nice. Man, I haven't seen one of these things in forever. This is an Ambreff 124 Spider. Wow. Speaking of rare spider, check out this Alpha. Z06 Corvette next to a big Chevy Bel Air with a Corvette motor. Okay, a little closer look at that green Z06. I can see the owner has already added some customization, beginning with the green wrap and these canards. Check that out. Putting additional downforce on the front, and he's got the carbon fiber wheel, but instead of getting exposed carbon fiber, it's just painted black. I guess save some money. Yeah, just carbon flash, carbon roof, and you can see the Z06 motor. Lowrider Cadillac. Wow, there's a land yacht right here. El Dorado. Nice. Doesn't have a bench seat in the front. That's kind of cool. And I see the control to activate the air ride stuff, or the lowrider. Allows it to slam it down, bring it up, bring it down, make it bounce. You know, all that low riding stuff. Lamborghini Gallardo, Noble 600, another FF, Evo Lamborghini Huracan, matte black McLaren 650S. Oh, nice. A yellow GT3. That's really, looks really nice. 720. Italia. A Ferrari Testarossa from the Miami Vice days. It's for sale if anyone's just interested. Wow. Oh, double wow. Make that triple wow. A trifecta of modified Porsche 911 turbos. Cool. And here we have the new Hummer EV. There it is. The first electrified GMC Hummer. Hummer EV, powered by 4 motors It has a 4-wheel steering. It can do crab walk. In other words, go sideways like a crab. It's a Targa. Let the sun shine in. Very nice. There's the interior with a 17-inch screen. The Hummer EV has 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds with the when you put in the Watch the Freedom mode. And look, he's got the new electronic license plate. Kind of cool. I'm wondering if you turn it off. You go for toll road, turn it off, and you don't get it. You don't have to pay. You know. So here we have the charge port, I guess. Yeah. This thing weighs over 9,000 pounds. Yeah, 9,000 pounds. It's the heaviest SUV in the world. Has a 200 kilowatt hour battery. And while the original Hummer was a gas guzzler, the Hummer EV is an electricity guzzler. Yeah, as I said, the battery is 300 kilowatts, which is twice the size of a Tesla Model S. But a Tesla Model S with half the battery power can go over 400 miles, whereas this thing with twice the battery pack only goes 300 miles. So the Hummer's reputation as a guzzler is still intact. Yeah, still intact. And that is Self OC Cars and Coffee. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.